Hello friends, my name is Suhail Saudagar and today date is 16 November 2022 and today topic is difference between ops and pop. I will explain difference between ops and pops. And ops, what is ops? Ops is a object oriented programming language. It included in a six main pillar in a object oriented programming method. That are first one is a class, object, method, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. They are six main pillar in a ops concept. So what is a POP? POP is a global data can be accessed chart any process function. So there is a no data security. In case want to change type of the data, global data, they will need to receive the functions that access the data. Due this may be happen that some errors will occur. POP does not model real world problem because function are oriented. Difference between ops and POP. Ops is a object oriented programming language and POP is a structure oriented programming language. This is the first difference between op and pop. And second one is a program is divided into object in a ops concept. Or in a under a program is divided to object, and in a pop program is divided into function. Function is as a method. In a op bottom to approach program read bottom to approach program read. In pop concept, top to bottom approach. In ops inheritance priority is used, and in other side means a pop side, inheritance is not allowed. It is used access specifier, and pop side is does not use access specifier. What is access specifier? Access specifier is the four types: public, private, static, and default. Encapsulation available in ops concept, but in a pops encapsulation is not available. Encapsulation means hiding data to the secure code. That means, and in ops concept of the virtual function. All of the in a virtual function, and structure oriented programming no virtual function. Object function are linked to through message passing, and in a pops concept part of program are linked through the parameter passing. In all linked to do the parameter passing. Adding in a ops adding a new data in a function easy, and in a pops expanding new data and function is not easy. It is a difficult to the compare the ops and pops. Thank you.